Have you ever pondered the true origins of the Cyclopes? These one-eyed giants of mythology evoke both fear and fascination. Their story begins in the depths of ancient Greece, where chaos reigned before the world found order. Born of Gaia, the Earth Mother, and Uranus, the Sky God, the Cyclopes were birthed from a time of darkness. Unlike their many siblings, the Titans, the Cyclopes possessed unique gifts. They were masterful craftsmen, skilled in forging powerful weapons. Yet, their fate was intertwined with tragedy. Uranus feared their strength and confined them within the dark womb of Gaia. This dark prison ignited her fury. With the help of her son Cronus, she sought revenge. The Titan emerged from the shadows, wielding a sickle, and overthrew Uranus, liberating the Cyclopes. Grateful for their freedom, the Cyclopes crafted the mightiest lightning bolts for Zeus, the new ruler. But their legacy is not without controversy. Some tales whisper of their brutal nature, hinting at a darker side. Were they merely misunderstood artisans or fierce warriors longing for recognition? This duality fuels the enigma surrounding the Cyclopes, marking them as one of mythology's most compelling creations.